Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing my entire quads from Chanel. I will rank them from my most used to least used. So if you're building your collection and you're starting the journey of makeup, or if you want to have some fun, then maybe consider watching this video. Without any further ado, let's just get into it. So I grouped them from most to least used, and I will tell you and explain you why. So this is my most used quad from Chanel, and as you can see it's quite used, and that tells you how much I love this palette. And this is in 374. I'm gonna link everything in the description box. So I think when you buy makeup, I think you should know what colors works for you, and you should buy something that you will enjoy also. So I really like these burgundy reddish colors, and they suit me and they look good on me, so I think this is why this has been so loved. Also, these colors here are very good with the inner corner or even in this area. This color also is very pretty. It's a little bit of a peach color, which is also very nice to get it over the entire lid. So this is why I like this palette a lot. And then moving to the next one, which is, I think this is a limited edition. I think this was their Byzance collection from last year, and this is how it looks like. It's a bit, you can see in the packaging, it's a little bit different than their usual classic packaging, and this one also I've used a lot and I use it all the time. This brown color over here is very nice. These two colors are like almost identical, and this is also a very nice bright white color. And then number 3, it's one of their classic palettes, and this is in number 334, and I adore this white color here. As you can see how much I use it. I use it in the inner corner, I use it to brighten the eye. It's so good. Also, this is a very nice color palette for if you want to create smoky eyes. It's the silver is so good as well. So I mean, I think this is a staple in my collection. Moving on, I think this was also a limited edition palette. This is from their Tweed collection. I think it's in number 03, and also I've used this quite a lot. And I mean, this combination, I mean, the gold and the peach and this burgundy here, it's so good. It's what I like. This has been used a lot. And then this is actually and then this is, I think this is a recent purchase, but the reason why I placed it in a higher rank is that because I used it a lot, and it's all because of this blue here. This blue is so good, so good. It's just, I'm not a fan of blue, but I mean, it's so good. You know, it's just brightening the eyes. If you put it here in the inner corner or just in the middle, just gives a little bit of something, and I've used this also a lot. And then this one, I'm not sure if this is a classic or not. This is in 88, Coral Treasure, and this is how it looks like. Again, all pink and browns. I keep buying the same thing over and over. I mean, all the items that I buy is just for me to enjoy, and I mean, if I bought them, then I like them for a reason. But you end up not using everything that you buy, and I think that, I mean, and I try, even though I'm on YouTube and I do reviews, so I try to be mindful. I try to buy things that I will actually use. And also it's a matter of finding out what works for you and what's not. So yeah, this is what I wanted to say. Okay, let's move on. I think this is a classic. This is number 202. When I bought this one, I thought that I would be using it more than I thought, but I mean, I do not reach out a lot for this palette, but I mean, it's a beautiful classic palette. It has a soft pink, and it has this gray is really nice, and I mean, you can create a lot of looks with this palette, but I don't know, I don't tend to reach out for it a lot. And also this is a classic, I think. This is in 228, which is very similar, but this has a little bit of a pop of color here. This pink or fuchsia. It's quite buildable. As you can see, it's nice. Also, I don't reach out to it a lot. And then this, I think this was a limited edition. I can't remember which collection. This is number 68, and I thought it's interesting. I thought it has like a yellow, like and a purple or lilac color. I don't use it, don't reach out to it a lot. And then this is also a classic palette, which is number 388, Eclat de Nuit. It's a beautiful palette, and this is what I'm wearing on my face today, on my eyes. I don't know why I don't reach out to this palette. I think I will. It's very earthy. This is a very lovely pop shade look. So good. So and also this brown is so good. So I think I should be reaching out to this palette more often than I am. And then the last one, which I think it wasn't really a good purchase. It's also from the Byzance collection. It's a limited edition, and yeah, this is the color combination. I was like, yeah, I will buy it because I mean, I don't have anything like this in my collection, but I know green is not really for me. And even the gold, I don't really like gold, and if I will wear gold, it's not, I mean, this shade is not really something. And even the top shade, it's a bit flaky. So I think when you buy something, you should be mindful. You should think, I mean, especially makeup and luxury makeup, you should think if you have something similar, then maybe don't buy it. If it doesn't work for you, I mean, in terms of of colors, then yeah. But anyway, lesson learned. It's all good. I'm over it. It's been sitting in my collection. I don't really reach out for it. Maybe I use it on other people, but I mean, it doesn't look good on me. I feel like I have a punch in my eyes, so maybe not ideal. Alright guys, that was it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I was able to give you some insights. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments section, and I'll see you in the next one.